Hello everyone, hope I am live. Let me check again. Yes, I got. Let me wait for some time. Yes, I'm live. Okay, so at first let me open my Codaloo profile where I can actually track. Let me check my profile tracker. As if you all know that I have solved 9 questions, 1 from Geeks for Geeks and 8 from LeetCodes. I don't know, they actually showing wrong thing about Geeks for Geeks. Actually I have solved more questions in Geeks for Geeks, to be honest. Okay, you know that they are increasing. If I just click the reload button, that is increasing for. Okay, let me open Take You Forward. Let me see that what is the next questions that you should do. Okay, so we are doing array, the easy one. Okay, so we have completed the left rotate of an array by d pieces. Now we will go to move zeros by, and as you all know, okay, I will start at first doing the questions of recent time of the ongoing questions. After that I will start practicing. Okay, this is my daily routine and I hope you understand the stuff. Okay, so move zeros to the end. Let me open the LeetCode. Am I logged in with my Pufferfish account? Maybe. Yes, I'm in my Pufferfish account. So the question is move zeros. What it states, it is saying ki given an endpoint to be noted. I am trying it for the first time because you can see there is no solved mark. Okay, so it is saying ki given an integer nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of a non-zero elements. Note that you must do it using in place without making a copy of the array. That means I should have the space complexity big of 1, or I should not take any extra spaces. Let me see the example. So I have an input here. I have 0 1 0 3 12 and the output is 0 3 12 0 0. Okay, so the zeros are going to the end of the matrices, the array, and if there is only one zero I will return 0. So what are the constraints? The length is 10 to the power 4 and the nums of I will be set equal minus 2 to the power 31 to plus 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Okay, let me open the Excalibur. It was the okay, so I have an array like 1 2 0 3 0 4 0 and I should return something like 1 2 3 4 0 0 0 is one thing. Maintaining the relative order, so I should not short it up or do change any position. So if I have 13 here, I should do 13 here. Okay, how I can do? Let me think actually. So I don't care about this actually. I at first create a space using the brute, then I will simplify. Okay, so what will be the brute actually? So let me say I have a temporary array. In the temporary array I will store the all non-zero, because what I have understood, let's say this is 1 2 1 2 3, let's say 3 4 1 2 3. Before that I have how much element? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have 7 elements. Let's say somehow I have found the non-zero element. Somehow I have found the non-zero elements. So this is my non-zero element. Let's say I have stored that inside of a temporary variable. So temporary variable size will be, let's say this is x. So if the non-zero size is x, then obviously the size of the 0 will be the remaining, so n minus x, where n is the size of the array. As simple as that. So how I will find the non-zero element? It is pretty simple. I will iterate throughout this array and I will find brother, if my array of I, if it is not equal to 0, then I will temp dot push back array of I. This is for the temporary purpose. So let me do it. So at first the temporary will be blank, so it is vector. Should I use vector? Yes, I should use vector maybe. So then I have to iterate throughout the first array. Int I equal to 0, I will go to the n, I plus plus, what is n? Sorry, nums dot size, and I will say here if nums of I, if my nums of I is not equal to 0, if my nums is not equal to 0, temp that temporary array dot push back nums of I. Awesome. Now I got that. Now let me just add 0. How to add the 0? Okay, one thing, instead of adding the 0, let's say this was the main one, so 1 2 0 3 0 4 1 2 0 3 0 4 0, let's say. And what the temp I have got? The temp I have got 1 2 3 4, as when it is here at I, it is saying bro, are you equal to 0? No, I'm not equal to 0. So push it back here, push it here, so push it here. Then just a minute, oops, 1 second, let me see. So it will come here, brother, are you equal to 0? No, I'm not equal to 0. So push it back. Are you equal to? No, I'm not. Push it back. Are you equal to? Yes, I'm not equal to. So don't push it back, I will be plus plus here. Are you equal to? Yes, I'm equal to. Push it back. Are you equal to? No, I'm not. Push it back. So I got something like that. Now do one thing. This is the main array. Iterate throughout the main array. Go to I2. I should be equal to the size of the temp. So let's say 1 2 3 4. Not equal to, so I will go to 0 to 1 2 3 4 5. So 4. It will go to 0 to 4. I mean this one, this size, and it will go to array. It will literally push every stuff, so on and so forth. It will push 1 will be pushed here, 1 will be pushed here, this one is pushed here, so that I have cut that previous one, so that you could understand that. 2, it will cut the 2 and put these 2. 3 4, got it? So I got something like that, this. So let me do it. For I equal to 0, I will go to temp dot size, because I don't want to iterate throughout this array. I want the size should be this, temp dot size. Awesome. Now nums of I will be equal to temp of I. Now do what? Now I have got it. Now remaining will be 0. So this is a simple line for I have to start int I equal to nums, sorry, temp dot size, temp dot, and I will be go till n and I plus plus, and it will do what? It will do array of I equal to 0. As simple as that. Now it is not returning anything, so let me submit it. It should submit, or there's a syntax error. What it is saying? Oh brother, it should be nums. It is one of the biggest mistakes. I should change the nums to array, because the thing is pretty simple. Because gigs for gigs usually I have array, but in LeetCode I usually have nums, so that there is a misconversion and the confusions that I got sometimes. Yes, I should leave this up, because how much questions I will solve, this confusions should have gone to me. Okay, this is done. Now linear search. Hope it is the simplest one, as of the linear search is given an array of 1. We should read the full questions. This is one of the most important stuff actually. We have given an array and sorted in ascending order. Okay, it is sorted in ascending order. Awesome. So the size is n and the integer is k. So k is the target, and check k is present in the array or not. What I have guessed. So if it is present, then is +1, otherwise -1. Awesome. So it is that stuff that I was expecting. So let's say this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 ascending order. Okay, and the target is k, let's say 5. So what I have to do? I have to simple write. I have to simple go, okay, brother, are you equal to 5? No, I'm not. Okay, are you equal to 5? No, I'm not. Are you equal to 5? No, I'm not. Are you equal to 5? No, I'm not. Are you equal to 5? Yes, I am. So return +1. Oh, one thing I have forgot to tell. One thing. Actually, previous question I have solved just using brute force. I have not using the optimal and the better approach. Sorry, brother. I'm very sorry. So actually, I'm very sorry. So let me discuss about the complexity. So just understand what is going on here. So the first loop, it is going to 0 to n. So for sure the complexity should be big O of n, as it is going to n. Awesome. The second loop, it is going to temp size. Now some of you will say, ki brother, let's say the temp size will be 1 2 3 4 5. There is no 0. Yes, that is the worst case, but in the average case, let's say 1 2 0 0 0. So let's understand, this is the size of the direction. Let's say this is x. Awesome. And this is x. So the first loop will take big O of n. This will take big O of x, and what will it remain? The remain means the 0, so the remain will be big O of n minus x. So what is the total? So the first one is big O of n, second one is big O of x. My n and x are little bit of similar, but just understand this because I'm writing in Excalibur by my mouse. So big O of n plus x plus n minus x, so it is big O of 2n. This is the time complexity. Now as of you know this, that I am using a temporary array to store some stuff, so the space complexity is big O of what? X. Actually x is the size of the temporary array. Awesome. But in the question description there is written, note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. But what I have did, I have created a copy of the array. That's not what it tend to be do. So let me understand and let me think that what I should do instead of doing that. So I have 1 2 3 and couple of 0. What I have got it from 1 0 0 2 0 3. Let's understand this very properly. I'll use two-pointer approach. Should I do two-pointer approach? Maybe I should use two-pointer approach. Let me think. Yes. What I should do, let's say when in these questions maybe remove the duplicates of the sorted array. What was the brute force approach? The brute force approach was, that I have something like 1 1 2 2 3 3. What I was doing, I am going to here, ki brother are you equal to 1. I am storing ki brother I have a temporary array, I have a something variable, let's say a variable is 1. What do we noted? I'm not using that space here, space concept here, just memorizing the core concepts of here. So and I'm coming here, ki brother are you equal to 1. Yes, I'm equal to 1, so don't care, go here. Are you in the temporary array? No brother, I'm not in the temporary array. Add it up. Are you in the temporary array? No, I'm not. Yes, I am. So don't. Are you? No, I'm not. Something like that. I think this will be, and this should be used here, but there is a catch. What should be the catch is, let's say I am starting from here and the variable is I and the variable is j, and I am doing a comparison. Instead of that, create a for loop and find the first 0. Why I am doing it? Find the first 0. What is the first 0? This is the first 0. Put a variable named j here. Okay, and put a variable I to j plus 1. So I will be the final, j will be the penultimate of I. Got it right? Now I will check ki j, are you equal to 0? First thing, this element is for sure not 0, as I am doing an iteration over there. So no confusion for this element. Now I will check ki j, are you equal to 0? Yes, whether I am equal to 0. Okay, node mine. I, are you equal to 0? Yes, whether I am equal to 0. Okay, both move one step away. Now what will be the second step? Okay, one thing, sorry, I have said one thing back. So if j is not equal to 0, so just if j is not equal to 0, j will be one step plus. J will be here. J, are you equal to 0? Yes, I am equal to 0. Okay, move one step. Just a minute, let me think over here. I think this thing is not working. Instead, j here, I here. Okay, so instead of checking j, as I want to do left sweep, what is it, left swap or shift, I will check instead of j, I will check I if you are not equal to 0. I said yes, no brother, I am equal to 0. If I is equal to 0, then if I is equal to 0, so if I is equal to 0, then the value of I will be switched to the value of j. What does it mean? This value will be switched to j, so j will come on I. Maybe not. Let me think over here very well. Okay. If I have both 0, so that's why I have taken this type of example actually for doing the dry run. Do one thing. No, I think this is correct. I got it. Understand this very properly. I will check I are equal to 0. I said yes, I am equal to 0. Move one step first. Okay, I will moving. I are you equal to 0? Not, I am not equal to 0. Then switch between I and j. So what will be the next? It will be 1 2 0 0 0 3, and I is where? I is and j both will be shift one step, and this switch and swap will be running on, and here it will not work, here it will swap 1 2 3 and the rates are 0. I think everything is awesome and everything is understood. All zeros will be moved to the end. I am switching 1. I am running it again. 1 0 0 2 0 3. First time I am finding the first 0. Okay, here is my j, here is my I. I am saying I are equal to 0. Yes, I am equal to 0. So move one step. I are you equal to 0? No, I am not equal to 0. So move them and switch them. What I have got? 1 2 0 0 0 3. And where was I? I was at the position of 1 2 3 1 2 3 here. It will move one step, and j will be moved also one step. This is j, this is I. Are you equal to 0? Am I equal to 0? Okay, don't care. Are you equal to 0? Am I equal to 0? Don't care. Are you equal to 0? Not, I am not equal to 0. So swap them. 1 2 3, the rates are 0. Awesome, we got it. Let me do it. Yes. So everything is awesome, everything is perfect. At first I have to declare the int. Let's say j is -1. I am just initializing it. Now int n equals to nums dot size, and I have to initialize a for loop. It will go to int I equal to 0 to I will go to n, and I plus plus, and it will do what? It will check if nums of I is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, just change the j and I. So j I value will be equal to j, and I will break the loop. Step 1. First get the first 0. Awesome. Now what I have to do? I have to find the swap game. Swap game. Lol. Okay, let's say for int I will be start from j plus 1. It will be starting from j plus 1 I. So this was j, this was j, and I was j plus 1. This was j, sorry, this was, let's say 1 2 0 0, let's say 3. So this is the first 0, this is j, and I will j plus 1. Don't care about my writing. Where was it? Okay, it was moved zeros. Was I doing it? Okay, I was doing it. So I am just opening two separate tabs. J will be not j, I will be going till n and I plus plus. Awesome. Now what I will check? I will check, brother, if nums of I are you equal to 0. If you are equal to 0, I don't care, but if you are not, I will swap game. How to swap? I don't know. There is a function like swap in C++. I will just use a temporary variable. Then I will do key brother temp will be equal to, so the value, so sorry, temp will be equal to, sorry, what was that? Nums of j, let's say, because I'm swapping j, swap nums of j. Maybe I will do a little bit more. I don't know why it is not increasing. The page size is not increasing. Control Shift plus. Yes, now it is working. Okay, array of j and nums of I, as simple as that. Then I will do what? I will actually do key nums of temporary ka value, the value of nums of j gone to temp. Now nums of j is blank, so nums of j, in nums of j I will do nums of I. Now nums of I is blank, so nums of I will be equal to temp. As simple as that. And after that, just increment the j, just move the j. Got it, right? It should work. Let me just check it if there is a misspell or something. Maybe. Yes, it is work. And submit. It should work. It is saying key why? Runtime error center. What do I use? Oh, one thing. Let's say there is no element. Let's say my j is becomes -1. I haven't found 0. In this case, I haven't found a 0. So what time that will happen? So I will return the main array. I mean the main instance. So what I will do, I will check key brother. If my j is equal to -1, return nums. But I shouldn't use return in the void, so I should use vector int something like that, and I will return nums. If j, holy cow, oh, I have written that here. So if j is equal to -1, return nums, and here I have to do, I was just laughing, vector int, and here it will be yes, I got it. Awesome. Now move to the next. So what was the next? The next was the simple linear search. As we all know, linear search how works. So let's say it is pretty simple. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as I have read it, so it was assorted, so I don't care about sorting, so I will start key brother. Let's say the k is equal to 6. I will set key brother. Are you equal to num not brother? Are you not? I am not. Are you not here? Yes brother, I am. So yes, I will return the 6 is, so I will return 1. So if that is present, I will return 1, otherwise I will return 0. So simple stuff. I will say, so size is given, so I will just run the loop. So int I equal to 0, I will go to n and I plus plus, and I will check key brother. If not nums array, if add of I is equals to k, I will return 1. Otherwise I will return -1. As simple as that. If it not works, that time maybe I will cut my throat off. Yes, it's done up. So this is done up. Find the union. Maybe this is gonna be interesting questions, because what is the union actually? Given two sorted array. Okay, I have a two sorted array of size n and m respectively. Find their union. The union of two arrays can be defined as the common and distinct element of two arrays. Return the element of the sorted order. 2 point is there, common and distinct, awesome, and sorted. 3 points are there. Okay, so size is given, and this is the array. This is the array. I have to give in the output something like that. So 1. Okay, no. So this is distinct. Okay. So what is this? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A1. A2 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the result? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simply you can do it. Here is a point key. You have to do distinct. So I can use two things that is unique. One is unordered set. So unordered map or set. Sorry, ordered map and set. So I will do what? I will iterate through my a1 and I will check ki brother are you. I will just at first I will just insert them up. I don't compare anything, I will just insert them up. I will insert 1, I'll insert 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As of I am using set. In set I should have sorted list. I should have the distinct list. This is why I am using set. Okay. Then I am going to array 2 and I have created another thing same as that set, and I will check keep brother, so not change, I will just insert them here. I will check 2, yes 2 is present, I don't care. 3 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 6 is present, nothing to be added. So let's say there is 7, so I should add 7. I am done, and I will just iterate through and just return this array. Simplest stuff. Maybe I should check for another optimal solution, but this is the brute force. Simple stuff. First thing is what I have to do. First thing is I have to just iterate through. I have to create the set. Then I have to iterate through for int I equal to 0. I will go to, okay, maybe I should, okay, so there is array 1, array 2, int n and m size of the first array and second array respectively. So n is the first array. Awesome. So st dot, maybe the function is insert, to insert inside of set array of I. Then for I equal to 0, I will go to m and I plus plus st dot array of I. Pretty simple. Okay, array 1 and array 2, array 1, array 2. Pretty simple. Now what I have to do, I have to simply just create, so I have the temp. So now the union array, so I have to do, there is a vector, then I have to just iterate through that. So for auto iterate.it throughout the st set, what it will do, it will don't do anything, it will just do what, it will just push the it there, it will just push to the it into the union array dot push back the it. It is returning something, so I have to return. So it's submitted. So let me discuss about the complexity. The first loop is iterating through n1. So let's say the first loop is taking the time of big O of n. Second is going to big O of m, as it is going to the m, and the last one is going to what? Last one is taking the time of adding the both. So it will do n plus m. And should I take any extra space? To be honest, for writing the piece of code I shouldn't have taken, but for returning I am taking a union array. So for return I am using big O of n plus m space. Otherwise, normal writing the code, the space is big O of 1. This was the time complexity and this is the space complexity. Quite simple. Awesome. Can I deduce the code a bit, reduce the complexity a bit? Maybe. How? Do one thing. Let me erase some stuff. Let me use this actually. Okay. Awesome. So start an iterator from I and j. Got it right? Start an iterator I and j and create a array named union. Union should be blank from its birth. And do what? I will check ki I, are you less than j? I said yes, I am less than j. So inserter. So I will do I and insert I instead of the union, and I plus plus. I plus plus. I, are you equal to j? Yeah, sorry, I, are you less than j? No brother, I am not. I am equal to. If you are equals to, do it. Three. And if this is true, so I will take another function. So if I is equal to j, then insert j and move I plus plus as well as j plus plus. So move I plus plus one step. What is the eraser? Move I plus plus and move j plus plus. So j will be here. Check again. I, are you equal? Are you less than? No brother, I am not less than. I am brother equal to. So yep. Plop plop. So let me change actually. This may be 6. This may be 9. To be honest, I don't care about that, but to actually for understanding point of view, I have just written this. So let's say this is 7, this is 9, and this is nothing. 7 and 9 just. Okay. Now I am come to 4. 3 is added. Okay, let's add 3. Now both have added 4. Let's say 4. And now 5 and 7. 5. Are you less than 7? Yes brother, I am less than. Okay, don't care, I am putting, and move it one step. It is staying at 7 as well as okay. 6. Are you less than 7? Yes, I am less than. Put it back. Now I am completed the array 1. As I am completed array 1, just do one thing. Point to be noted. It maybe have not have another 7, 7, 8, 8. So I should have an extra function to check is in array 1 I have a distinct character and in array 2 I have a distinct character or not, to insert, and the insertion process will be same as like that. So I think it will be pretty much convenient to create a program like here. Let me drink a cup of water. Water is completed, so I should have taken the water maybe. Okay, let's me do the code. First, I have the size, so I don't have to create the extra size of the array, so I have to just int I will be 0 and int j will be 0. Awesome. Then I have to create that stuff of union of array. Awesome. Now I will check creep brother while while I is less than n. That means what? I have completed array 1 or I have completed array 2. If there is an element in array 1, if there is an element of array 2, awesome. And then j is less than m. Awesome. If array 1 of, understand this very properly, I is less equal to array 2 of j, if union array dot size, if it is not equal to 0, or union array dot back. So I should check key, this is, let's say, my union array. So here I have union array dot back, that element already present or not. Got it right? Union array dot back if it is not equal to array 1 of I, if it is not, that time I will do union array dot push back array 1 of I. Awesome. Not only that, sorry, just a minute. After completion of that I should have, so I don't have to create a blank space, so I will do I plus plus. Awesome. Else do the same. If union array dot size, if it is equal to 0, or union array dot back if it is not equal to array 2 of j, to union array dot push back array 2 of j and j plus plus. Awesome. Now I am all done. All are done. Now after the completion of the while loop, can I check? Oh, point to be noted, I have added the equal to here, so I don't have to do another function for the equal to. Got it right. Now I have to do this when the arrays are exhausted. So this, when the arrays is exhausted, so create a function that is pretty simple. So I will create a while loop while I will be less than n, while I will be less than n. Then I have to do what? I have to just copy paste this, so this one, from if to this. Okay. And while j is less than m, I have to do what? I have to do this. Pretty simple. Am I returning? Yes, I am returning something, so I will return union array. So I will return union array. Pretty simple. Let me check if there is an error or not. Of it is an error. Where? Oh, this is BAK. Union array dot BSCK. Spelling mistake. Yes, it is submitted. Okay, let me check the complexity, the important stuff. For the first, okay, so as I have submitted first time, so I will not get points. So I don't get it. So the first while loop, what will be the complexity? It is going to the array of n1 and n2. So it is actually merging them. I don't control C. It is actually merging them. So the complexity will be big O of n plus m, time complexity, and the space I am taking n plus m. Why n plus m? Someone, if you will tell me, brother, I am not taking n, I am taking an union array, but that is not the good answer. The good answer should be I am returning something. If I don't return the union array, that should not be the complexity. That time I shouldn't take any extra space, but I am returning the union array, that should be extra space. That's what I have learned, to be honest. So let me compile and run. It will run obviously. So let me submit it. Oh, I already have submitted. I have already submitted. Okay. So the next thing, okay, it is live. Awesome. So union is done. Now maybe the last questions should I do? Yes, the last question, the 4th number question, because I don't give me pressures to do too many questions one day, because I have to practice. This is 4:33 at night. Maybe night, this is morning, so I have to practice after that. So find the missing number in the array. Let me do it, because the less you do, the less you practice, the more you actually understand the stuff. Okay, missing the number. Given an array nums containing n distinct number in the range 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. What does it mean? I have not understood that. Given an array nums containing n distinct number in the range 0 to n, return only the number in the range that is missing from the array. So what is it? What I have understood just reading it, the constants, all nums are unique. Okay, all nums are unique. Awesome. So I have, let's say, 0 1 2, and the n should be equals to the size, that's a 3. And so if I am telling ki brother 0 to 3, if I have tell to arrange an array 0 to 3, what will be the elements of that? 0 1 2 3, and you have to find ki the given array and your array, the utmost array. Let's say this is the utmost array, so what are the missing? So the missing one is 3, so you have to return 3 is the missing array, missing number. So how to do it? According to me, this is pretty simple. But it is that much simple. I will get a for loop that will go to 0 to n. N will be this, and it will go to equal to n. And another loop will go j equal to 0 to n, but it will not equal to. Just this is for this array and that is for that array, and I have to find the array of j. In array of j, if my I is present, so for 0 I have to check is 0 is present. Yes, 0 is present. Okay, move forward. Then I have to 1. 1 is present. Yes, 1 is present. Okay, 2 is present. Yes, 2 is present. 3 is present. No, 3 is not present. If 3 is not present, I will return that. So instead of doing that, I have to create a flag. Let's say flag is 0. So I will move flag equal to plus plus. So flag equals to 1 when I have got it. So flag not plus plus, flag equal to 1 when I found flag will be equal to 1. And if flag is equal to 0, I will return I, otherwise I will return the rams. Pretty clear, I think. Let me create it. I will go to till equal to n. If nums of j, not I, j is equals to I, the flag will be 1 and I will break. Now let me create the flag. Awesome. Now after completion of that, I will check, okay brother, if my flag is equal to 0, return I. Here I have to write and return n. Should it work? Actually I have just do a case. Use of undeclared, so I have not declared 0. Int. Oh bloody hell, this will be j. Yes, it turned up. Actually did a guess. Oh bloody hell, how much complexity it is. So what is the complexity? The complexity is big O of n, of as of you all know I am going to 0 to n. But to be honest, I don't know how to reduce the complexity. So let me go to the solutions and find it up there. That what is the complexity? Okay, it have done that stuff. So okay, I will check this in the next day. It is plus 4:40, so I have to sleep also. But so let me start practicing. Now I think you will know ki brother, you will do practice now also. So yes, I will do practice now. Just a speed up practice. Okay, the first one is large study. I will try to write the optimal approach, what I've got, So largest, so I have to find it properly without using, this is called first, let's say the first element is largest, then start a loop from I to n and go through the array. If array of I, if it is greater than largest, the array of I will be equal to largest. Largest is no, wrong thing. Largest will be equal to array of I. Then I will return the largest. Let me see it will work or not. Yes, it works. And the next one, okay, so I have to write something key. Practice day 3. Second largest. So to find the second largest, what I have to do, just iterate through the array. That plus minus game. Okay, so int largest equal to array of 0, let's say. Int equals to -1. Int n equal to add dot size. So for I equal to 0, I will go to n, I plus plus. If array of I is greater than largest, even if I is greater than largest, the largest will be the second largest will be the largest. Okay, the largest value will be go to the second largest. The largest value will go to the second largest. Awesome. The largest value. Oops. The largest value will be go to the second largest, and the current value of the address will be go to the second, will be go to the largest. So largest we go to array of I. Awesome. If that is not, do else if array of I, if it is greater than largest, and let's say the array of I, this is the I, is greater than the largest. Let's say the largest is 2, but the second largest is क्या कहते हैं इसको, second it is less than, let's say it is 20. So I can say that I mean the array of I is less than largest, but array of I is greater than second largest. Let's say it is 10. So if array of I is less than second largest, the second largest is equals to array of I. Awesome. all are done. What is the complexity? This is taking big of n, so it will be big of n maybe. Okay. Oops, it's not. I got an error. Awesome, I got an error. Let us solve the error. It is array of 0. It will be minus n, minus 1, so array of size. Oh, I should not start from here, I should start from here. The same error that I have got that yesterday when I was solving this, the day 2. Same problem. It is going to n. If array of I is greater than largest, the second largest will be equal to the largest. Awesome. The largest will be equal to array of I. Awesome. Then else if array of I is less than largest and array of I is greater than second largest, this is called not Salem step, but I will say this is called big mistakes. Lol. Check the array is sorted and rotated. So there is a count stuff. So I actually, got it. So it is pretty much simple. If nums of I minus 1 starting from 1, it is greater than nums of I will do count plus plus. If the first index should be equal to the last index, or you can say the last index should be equal to is greater than the last index, so nums of 0. Increment the counter, and if count is less than equals to 1, return true. As there is a boolean, so I have to return a false. It will run. Oops. Should I take the lead code premium? Maybe as I am a beginner, I should not. Just if you just visit it, please give me your command, give me your reply. It is the same question I have done today. Remove the duplicates. Create a set and just insert it up. So it is pretty much simple. So the index equals to 0, then create a set. So set int st for auto iterator id. Go to the set, do what the nums of index will be equal to the iterator, and index plus plus This is for iterating. Now before iterating, what I have to do, I have to just getting the value, inserting the value. So for I equal to 0, I will go to end and I plus plus, then st dot insert array of I. As simple as that. It is it is returning something. Sorry, it will returning something. So return index. Oh, I will just break and it can be solved using a two-pointer approach also. Let's say 1 1 1 2 2 3 3. I will point it here. I will check it whether I equal to not equal to, so I will just get it up. So something like that. So I think I should use it also, just a first time, before my mom rises up, because it is 5. So int g equals to 1, it will start from 1, and int will equal to n. I have to declare n. Then it will be if nums of j is not equals to nums of I, then nums of I plus 1 is equals to nums of j. I will return a plus 1, the previous index. Oh. Left rotate. Oh, this question, this is simple. I should use reverse. So I have, let's say I don't do using reverse because it is simple. I will do q